Are you having trouble with tax compliance as a small business owner? Keeping your business tax information up to date is the key to avoiding unnecessary stress and unlocking a hassle-free tax experience. Details matter, especially when it comes to tax matters. Taking a moment to update your business information on eFiling can help you stay compliant and prevent issues down the road. It's quick, easy, and keeps your tax profile in top shape. Follow these simple steps to update the registered representative for your business on eFiling. Log into eFiling, then follow the guide available on the SARS website to update your representative's details. Search Registered Representative to access the guide that will give you the steps on how to update your representative's details. By staying updated, you ensure a compliant tax profile that supports a smooth tax season and a flourishing business. Just a few clicks to update your details can make all the difference. To learn more about your SMME responsibilities, visit sars.gov.za and click on the Small Businesses tab that will direct you to the dedicated SMME web page. So, small business taxpayers, don't forget. Update your eFiling details to keep things smooth and stress-free. Smart tax moves start with keeping your information current. Your tax matters. SARS at your service.